This is the mount. This is the tray. And this is the telescope. Let's just bring them out. This is the eyepieces, hand control, finder scope, battery, diagonal, compass, caps, so all the accessories. What is this? It's just empty. The empty box to hold as a spacer. Another empty box. I suppose the guide was inside this control. So the telescope is here, which we could bring it out later. So I need a tripod first. Oh, that's a tripod. Okay. Let's just see what is here. A tripod. Let's just adjust this tripod. Okay, what I suppose is that I have to extend the legs. So the tripod is there. Now I put the mount on it, which is this. I have to use both hands. So tripod and the mount. Now I need to bring the actual telescope. But before that I will raise the tripod a little bit higher. Or should I? No, probably not. This is the telescope, which is a 4-inch one, refractor, and the other half of the mount bracket, so I have to install that. So the telescope tube optical assembly is now installed. I have to attach the diagonal and the eyepiece. So the diagonal and the eyepiece are here. Now I need the eyepiece. So should be a 26mm eyepiece. Yeah, that's it, 26mm, which is a quite wide angle for this kind of applications. Now let me put this here. Eyepiece completely should be placed in. Now a super plusle eyepiece, which is really good eyepiece, is placed here. It's a Meade 4000 DB or DS super plusle 26mm eyepiece made in China. So now that's ready. The only thing remaining is to adjust it for the reception of the thing. But let me just have a look through it without anything. But first of all, I have to remove the eyepiece, the lens cap. That's the lens as it looks. Okay, let's see how the image looks through this eyepiece and the telescope. Now let's look at the farther than that fruits and the leaves. Okay, that was a view through the Meade refractor, 4-inch refractor. And we were looking at those trees at the distance and the gap between the trees. This is one of these parasitic plants which grows on other trees, on the branches of them in the air. People think they are nests, and they are very common in England. And they have those white berries you see there, now down the center. And I'm looking through the Meade telescope. This is the Meade, the name of this is the Meade DS-2102AT-TC, which is a 4-inch 102 millimeter telescope, refractor telescope. It has a guider which I have to add battery yet, but I have to go and bring it. And it's quite nice, lightweight, not heavy, good aperture, nice view. Even with this plus it gives a good view. I can add any other eyepiece that I have, especially wide angle ones really will be bringing up to its all this glory. I noticed that the eyepiece is almost half the optical tube assembly of a telescope.